here's all the tools you need to do a rear brake replacement on a 2024 Integra Type-s with the electronic braking system. I've got 12-volt battery that I pulled from my lawnmower since I don't have wire long enough to go to the front. You need a number 7 Allen key. You can see that all I did was take the 16-14 gauge spade connectors, cut them in half, a zip tie, and a 5-amp fuse. I'll show you how I'm gonna do this. This is how it flips. You got pull this back to lift up, pull it back to lift up to release from that notch. Problem is mine was stuck and it wouldn't pull back, even no matter how far I pull back, even broke part of the tab right there. So what I did was I just took a little pick and I went into the bottom here and then twisted it out and it popped right off. Stuck both wires, spade clamps, into the electronic brake system. The only reason I used a zip tie was I stuck it in between them to make sure that there was no continuity between the two connectors in the connector. All right, so the polarity is what matters here. This can turn it. So the bottom. You can see that now parking brake is on. And reverse polarity here. See, it's spinning freely. And you can see the caliper is pulling forward a little bit. A little bit more. It turns off. Now we got enough clearance to put in new pads. These are the number 7 Allen key. Take the calipers off. You gotta take this off. I'm gonna go ahead and do. And it comes right off. I think I had. Pads are stuck. Oh, see? That's what you get for driving on the track with factory pads. How low that is. These are way past due for changing. So I did not come out quite far enough on this one. So I got to come out a little bit more. go. Up. I'm gonna put your cats back on. And I can disconnect these wires now. Also note, I did not tighten this back using the same method. You can see that there's still play in the slides. I'm going to recalibrate the parking control by turning it on and off 3 times, and you'll hear what it sounds like. Obviously, don't forget to hook your sensor, your control back on until it clicks before you turn your car on. Otherwise, you will get brake malfunction. Also, make sure that you have that still connected when you disable the parking brakes before you disconnect it. Otherwise, you won't be able to disengage it properly. So I've got the car. What I'm gonna do is turn the parking brake on. And did you hear that other one tighten up more? Turn it off. Turn it back on. Turn it off. Turn it back on. Now both motors are synced. And let's check it. With it on, this is not turning. Parking brake's working.